When you log into the VB app, you are presented with this list view of all the quotes in the system. This is the main or parent form. Here you can filter on customer, you can copy, you can edit a quote, you can archive, or you can create a new quote. Let's go to the new quote. So before we continue, this is not to be confused with the reference data section, the administrative form, where we can create customers, materials, machines, services, labor, etc. in the system. This is the quotation section. So create a new quote. This is the process flow that a client will follow. He creates a new quote. He selects the client that he wants to create the quote for. Right? Now needs accept. Now this just activates the forms here, but we don't need this accept button on the Grails app. Now after he's created the client, he adds a job. Job 1. Job 1. Now he says the quantity of this job is 2, and he says accept. Now for this job 1, he adds material. Round. So he adds some material, and this is a kilogram material. He needs 2 of these materials, and he accepts. Now he adds another material and makes it structural, and he needs 20 of this, and this customer client supplier will provide it for him. Now after he's done this, he can either create services or he can create operations. I add it to this quote, and this will be for this job. So if he adds another job now, job 2, and each one of this, you'll see he has a job 1 and a job 2. Job 1 has got materials added to it, job 2 has nothing. So for job 2, you can say probably let's add an operation. Light an hour, 2 hours for setup, and it needs a blackening machine, or not a blackening, let's be a B-mill. And for the run, setup, yes, setup, that's the description. For the run, yes, run. And for that he needs an operator, he needs a 5-hour run, and this is 2, operation number, this is 1. Okay, so setup and run is added. So for job 1 he's got materials, for job 2 he's got an operation, no services. So if from this form, which would be a JSP, you can preview the quote. There's the quote. You can see some for job 1, job 2 information, and he's got a total. That's the quote GSP.